Mathematical equations in Word. The first one is the traditional fraction. So the first thing I'm going to do is click Insert on the ribbon and go over to Equation. And then Fraction, I'll go with the traditional stacked fraction. And then for the numerator, 1, and the denominator, 5. And then just press the right arrow and you can type x plus and then another fraction. And the numerator is 1 and the denominator 3. Then press the right arrow, equals, and one more fraction, stacked. Numerator is 4 and the denominator is 3. If you want to make the entire fraction larger, click the 3 dots so it selects everything, and on the Home tab you can increase the size of it. For the common radical, there's actually a shortcut, so click Insert, Equation, and it's right in here, the category radical, and we'll select this style for common radical. And when you select, make sure you're just selecting the A, and that's going to be 5 squared, and then select the B, 12. And again, if you want to make it larger, click the 3 dots, Home, and you can make it larger. You can also center it. Area of a circle is just click Insert, Equation, and there's some basic symbols, so we can put in C and then equals, and you can put a space if you want between it, space, equals, space, and 2, and you want the symbol for pi, which is right here, and then lowercase r. And again, select the 3 dots to select everything, and then make it larger. Circumference of a circle, there's a shortcut for that as well. So click Insert, Equation, and it's under Equation on the left-hand side, and there's area of a circle. Or circumference of a circle. Check the 3 dots, make it larger. And the last one, Albert Einstein's theory of mass energy equivalency, is just equals space, E space equals mc squared. To get the 2 superscripts, select it and choose superscript. And then again, if you want to make it larger, you can, and center. And there you have it. All math equations created from Word. Save and submit.